Hey everyone, welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. For today's video, Gellen was kind enough to send me their 25+3 colors gel nail polish kit. It comes with so many different gorgeous, perfect for summer shades, and I'm super excited to unbox it and show you all of the colors. And here you can see just a cute little quick sneak peek of all of the shades. Each bottle is similar to what the actual shade of the polish is. The kit also comes with an instruction manual, and now we will go ahead and swatch all of these gorgeous colors so you can see all of the shades individually. And I have quite a few things to say about these polishes. First of all, I was so surprised at how close the actual swatches of the colors are to the color on the bottle. Like, you rarely see this, that they're so similar, and they really are. Like, when you pick up a bottle of polish, you know exactly what color to expect. And apart from that, the second thing that I wanted to mention is that all of these colors are super pigmented. What you're seeing, these swatches are just one coat of polish. I haven't cured, I was just layering them in between takes just so that I could show you all of the colors in swatches. And I am just so impressed by the quality. They apply beautifully, they are super pigmented, so yeah, I just think that this is an amazing beginner set. So you can literally have so many different colors, and this is not the only collection that they have. These are very affordable. You can get like a couple of them and have basically any color you will need to get started as a beginner nail tech, or like somebody who does nails at home, for example, and you want a big collection of colors so that you can change your nails as frequently as you want. And honestly, because there were so many different ones, even glitters and everything in the collection, I just wanted to use as many colors as possible. So that's what I went ahead and I did today. I will be planning more videos in the future with their polishes because I just have so many ideas with all these different colors. So yeah. They also come with a matte top coat, base coat, and a regular shiny top coat, as you can see, which is super helpful. Again, this is a quick little look on to all of the shades, and now we're gonna get started on the nail art, and I'm so excited about today's look. So as you saw, I've applied some extra long nail tips. I got these from Shein a while back, and the next step is to apply a layer of base coat to all of the nails, so I make sure that the gel polish is going to stick on perfectly. And I wanted to create a custom color for my French base, and I went ahead and I mixed a few of the colors that were in the kit to create my perfect nude shade. And I really like how this turned out. I actually think I added a little tiny drop of pink as well. So yeah, I like it. And then the next thing that I did was took my brush and I went ahead and I painted like a little oval shape, creating a half French like nail extension, I guess. I hope that makes sense. But that's what I essentially did. I applied 2 coats of this. You can see this is the first coat. It's a little patchy, but on the second one it looked really good and it came together very nicely. I went ahead and I repeated this on all of the nails, and it just looked a little plain to me. I had my eye on that one pink glitter polish that they had in the kit, so after I did all of the French base, I guess you can call this, you will see that I went ahead and I picked out that gorgeous shimmery pink polish and I applied that over top, and it just looked so good. And here you can see that pink polish that I was talking about. This also came in a blue shade, which I think is going to be so pretty for like a mermaid nail art with all these different colors. I just have so many ideas with all of these beautiful colors. I just get so excited. As I told you in previous videos, when I get my hands on collections like these, which offer so many different colors and so many different products to work with, I just get so creative and so excited, and I have so many ideas of things to make and I never have enough time. So this is what they're looking like so far, and then I took the shiny top coat and I just applied a layer over the glitter that we just added. I just wanted to make sure that when I work on the rest of the nails, this is not going to be sticky, and I thought that this would just be a lot easier and save me time later on. And then the next thing that I did that also helped me paint the nails was take their matte top coat and apply that to the rest of the clear tip. As you saw, we have a clear base that's just matte, so I thought that putting that first and painting the flowers on top would make it a lot easier for me, as the polish would not be runny. And even like this, like I would just wear them like this. They look so cute. I love them. So yeah, then I took my little painting tray and I added all of the different shades that I wanted to use. In hindsight, I think I should have used a little bit of a yellow shade or something to just add a little bit more bright pop of color. But yeah, it's okay. I still love them the way that they are. And what I did next was took a small dotting tool and I just started adding flowers randomly. Now I added a lot of different flowers with a brush. I made a few ones, and I wanted to just add different textures pretty much to these nails and different elements with the different colors. So you can go ahead and watch these and see all the different flowers that I made and get inspiration on the ones that are easier for you to put together. I did some of them with different methods so that you could get ideas on each different type of flower. So yeah, let me know which ones you like the most, and if you think that these are something that you can do maybe as a beginner, or if some of these are a little more advanced for you. I just have so much fun painting flowers, and these colors are really, really pigmented. Like, I keep saying this, but they really are. Like, look at this. Just, I don't have to go over it. The flowers look perfect, and this is not on a colored base. This is on a clear base, which is even more awesome. When it comes to painting flowers like these, I would recommend using a dotting tool if you're not very familiar or very comfortable with using a thin detail brush. They can be a little more difficult to maneuver, whereas a dotting tool can be a lot more beginner friendly. And look, for example, this flower is just super easy to put together. It's a little bit more like a blob, but I think it still looks very cute. I think that I like it a lot, and I think that I like the different textures that, you know, come together through these different types of flowers. So you can just experiment. You can also add little dots around like I did. I think it's always a nice way to add more color without having to actually cram the space more and like add more elements that would take up a lot of space. So yeah. Then I took some of the top coat that was included in the kit and I added some in the middle of the flowers that we painted, and I took those little pearls that I got from Shein from a little box, and I added those in the middle of the flowers. Once again, I made sure to add different sizes of the pearls, so some of the nails have bigger pearls, some have smaller ones. They're not all the same, and I just liked this. I thought that, you know, at first I was thinking of adding some colored rhinestones, but I think that the pearls add a softer finish to these, and I think that they just go together really nicely. Another thing that I decided to do was add these tiny little caviar beads as a border of where the French manicure actually starts from the extension that we did. This took forever, so I just did it off camera. It turned out really, really cute, but it was super time consuming, so I just did it off camera so I could, you know, look at it easier. And then lastly, I just took the same top coat with my little detail brush and I added a little bit of that on top of all of the flowers and the dots that we made, just so that the polish is not sticky and so they're shiny. Last but not least, we're adding some cuticle oil to nourish our cuticles. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. A big thank you to Gellen for sending me all of these gorgeous polishes to review. I really enjoyed working with them. I can't wait to use them for more projects in the future. And I really hope that you give these a try. As I said, they're super pigmented and they're really nice quality, and especially for the price, they're such a steal. I will also leave a discount code in the description down below so you can get a bit of a discount on your order, so you can get them even cheaper. And yeah, with that being said, please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you on the very next one. Bye!